Ready to level up your freelance career and work with top clients? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to apply as a freelancer on Toptal. First, head to Toptal's website and click the Apply button, often found in the top right corner. Next, you'll need to fill out their online application form. It will gather information about your skills, experience, and educational background. Be as thorough and honest as possible here. Now comes the challenging part, the screening process. This typically involves skills assessments, coding tests if applicable to your field, and technical interviews. Prepare extensively, as Toptal emphasizes quality. After the initial skills assessment comes a series of interviews. These are designed to assess your communication skills, technical expertise, and your ability to solve real-world problems. Toptal is very selective, so don't be discouraged if you don't pass the first time. You can always reapply after a certain period. Once approved, congratulations, you can now browse project opportunities on the Toptal platform, specifically designed for connecting freelancers with clients. Create a compelling profile to showcase your qualifications and highlight your relevant skills. Is how you'll stand out to clients. When you find a project that matches your expertise, submit a well-crafted proposal. Tailor each proposal to the specific project requirements, emphasizing how your skills align with the client's needs. Remember, applying to Toptal is just the first step. Good luck, and start building your freelance career today.